right, so whether it's scrapbooking, birds, farming, collecting, or whatever your hobbies may be, it's National Hobby Month. I'm Tamara Schubert, your Family Consumer Sciences educator for NMSU and Chaves County Cooperative Extension Service, and we are talking hobbies all month, and today we are talking cooking. All right, so Carrie's joining me today. What are we making?
We are going to make an easy, quick, homemade ranch dressing for when you need to dress your salad and you don't have anything in the refrigerator.
Well, and if you've been with us for very long, you know making things at home is a great way to control what you put into your foods. So when looking at your food ingredients, we want to make sure that we can read and pronunciate, right, everything on the back of those labels. So making our own dressings from home is a great way to do that. So what do we start with?
We are going to use some Greek yogurt, and I like Greek yogurt because it's about double the protein of just a regular plain yogurt.
So the other thing that we want to look for with our yogurts is, again, you think yogurt is a yogurt, but read those ingredients lists. Some of our yogurts actually put cornstarch and stuff in as fillers and thickeners. So read those ingredients when it comes to your yogurts.
Cultured milk and live active cultures for this particular Greek yogurt. We're going to start with about a cup.
So if you've been with us for very long, we don't measure anything either.
Sometimes I have a measuring spoon for later. And we're also going to put in some sour cream just to have another base for it. You could do, if you don't like sour cream, you could do all yogurt or all sour cream. I just like a combination of the two. We're going to do about a cup of sour cream as well. Now let's get spicy. We're going to add onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and salt to taste. Now, from here, you can decide what you want your ranch to taste like. If you like it a little more tangy, add a little red wine vinegar. Not for this one. So instead, for her, I like to add some dill. This is some freeze-dried dill, so it lasts longer in my fridge. If you don't have it fresh, that's a good option.
So if you cook with Cody and I very often, we're all about customizing to what your family likes, because when they eat it, that makes a big difference. So customize it to your family and what they enjoy and what they like. All right, so
about a teaspoon of each of them. Yep. You can do a little less paprika if you don't want it to look too
red.
And I don't necessarily measure out the dill with a spoon. Measure with your heart. Salt to taste. Dill for our non-tart
vinegar
friend.
people.
Some dill. Ooh, my paprika came out everywhere. And some paprika. All we're going to do from here is whisk it up. You want to do that?
Yep. I'll do something, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Oop. As I send spices everywhere. All right, friends.
Tasty tidbit of ranch.
Yeah. So great way to control and add a little bit of homemade flavor to your salads and whatnot at home. Y'all, thanks for joining us. Oh yeah, Josie says taste it.
Need more salt?
Oh, I love it.
Oh, good.
Maybe. You may want to taste that.
Not bad, but I'll add a little bit.
All right, friends, join us next week and we will have another video for you.